Hello everyone, my name is qoqsik. I stream on Twitch do designs and art, and also have a small store with badges, panels, and overlays. In this video, I will show you my screen overlay set for streamers. I have created 4 colorful Warzone themed images that you can use for free. You will find the download link in the description. Overlays that alert viewers about the oncoming start of the broadcast, pause, end of the stream are very popular. Offline cover are very popular as well. I talked in more details about the importance of a starting soon screen in my other video. Watch it by clicking on the upper right corner. Streamers want to customize their broadcast with overlays, and rightly so, because quality is important to viewers. You can also purchase or make these images yourself using graphic editors. Let's get started with downloading and installing my free overlays. Follow the link from the description. Enter 0 in the cost field and click I want this. Enter your mail and click Get. Moving on, click View Content, Download and unzip the archive to any convenient location. On any scene in the Sources window, click the plus button. Select Image. Give the layer a name to help you navigate while streaming. Select the image and click Done. Lock the image layer so you don't accidentally move its location. Use the eye icon to enable or disable the visibility of the image. How do you prevent viewers from hearing your microphone while showing an image? To do this, create a separate scene where the audio capture from the microphone is disabled. Switch the scene to turn on the desired screen while streaming. Finding a good overlay or a good starting soon template is really not that hard anymore, so streamers really should not have any excuses left to not have one. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, leave them in the comments. On my channel, you can find more videos on streaming topics and a link to my small design store for streamers in the description. Good luck with this stream. Peace out.